The procedure to back up your saved WinTax data is the same for each different tax year. Each WinTax tax year stores all the data you save in two different databases. One database holds all the personal taxpayers and trusts data that you save in WinTax, and the other database holds all the company tax data. In our examples, we will back up the WinTax data onto a memory stick or flash drive. This is the little USB drive, the flash drive that we're going to use to back up our data, and we just plug it into the USB port on the computer right here. I have loaded the WinTax 2018 program to use as an example regarding how to back up and restore WinTax data. If we select the File menu option, we will see options to back up and to restore the WinTax 2018 database. Select the option to back up the WinTax 2018 database, then a window opens. Because we are using WinTax 2018 program, we do not even have to tell the backup program which file to back up. We can see that the backup option knows that the name of the database file we want to back up is called WINT2018.mdb. However, the message at the top of this backup window says we need to tell this backup program where we want the database file backed up to. Here we can see the different drives that are connected to this computer, and one of the drives is our external drive, the Toshiba drive. So we click on the Toshiba drive, and now we can see that our target drive is the external flash drive, the Toshiba drive, and when we click on save, the database file will be saved to that drive. Now this particular computer we're using uses Windows 7, but Windows 8 and Windows 10 will have very, very similar screens. You only have to tell the program where you want the database file backed up to. I'm now going to click on Save to back up this database file. It's backed up successfully. If there's already a backed up file with the name WINT2018.mdb name on the external flash drive, then it will be overwritten by this new WinTax 2018 MDB file without warning. To restore a database from a backup, we simply insert our external flash drive and then select the Restore option under the File menu. This message warns us that we're about to overwrite our existing WinTax database with a backed up database. We can see that the backup program will restore the WINT2018 MDB database file from the source, which means we have to tell the program where the backup file is. Once again, we simply locate the source drive path as being our external flash drive, and we click on Open. And it's all done. If we wanted to also back up the company tax database onto the same external flash drive, then we use the company tax file menu option and select the backup. Company tax, file, backup, and we get our same screen. We back up our same database. We can see it's already remembered that it's got to back up this database to our Toshiba drive. That's the name of the company tax database. You can see it says WINT company 2018.mdb. We click on Save, and it's done it successfully. Now I'm going to load WinTax 2019 and back up the personal taxpayer and trust database file onto the same external drive. Now here I've loaded WinTax 2019, and I'll now back up the personal taxpayer and trust database file onto the same external flash drive. I'll select backup. I need to find our drive. There it is, Toshiba. And there's our database file. You'll see it's got a different name. This is WINT 2019.mdb. So we save it, and it's done. And I'll do exactly the same thing with the company tax. File, backup. It's going to save it to our company. It's going to be saved to the Toshiba drive. There it is. And this is the Wint Company 2019. You can see that's a different name, so I'll click on save, and it's done it. You can see that the name of the WinTax 2019 database file is different to the WinTax 2018 database file name. As each different WinTax year database file have different names, we can store all the different WinTax years database on the same external flash drive without fear of them overwriting each other.